All right, this is Christian Dietrich with 11035, and here we got my son Seth, and this is going to be the best video I can do considering it's kind of pouring down raining out front, and I want to get a little bit of a better video with this. And so anyway, this is our front air dam fog light installation that I've been working on for quite a while. It was pretty involved because I wanted a factory look. Also wiring in a relay so I don't kill anything with the original electrical system of the car. Patrick Conlin recommended the fog lights that he has on his DeLorean as well, and I thought they looked really sharp. And right now we are going to demonstrate it. So Seth, go ahead and get in and turn on the parking lights only. Okay, so here we are with the parking lights. And go ahead and turn on the fog lights. And here we are. They're a projector beam style fog light. And just today I added 6000K LEDs to them. I will say that the LEDs are not as bright as the halogens that were in there. They're a little bit dimmer, but I will say that the LEDs draw no heat. And those halogens got those metal casings that the fog lights were in pretty hot. So I really didn't want to have no possible damage to the air dam or anything. So anyway, this is them turned on, and from what you can see, you know, they do throw out pretty good light. I'm going to look for another alternative for the you know, a light source. It's a H3 style bulb. And what I did in the inside of the car, everything is installed right here. So you got your left switch. Go ahead and get in, Seth. So your left switch is your front fog lights, and as you can see, the green indicator. Let's see if I can zoom in a little for you. Alright, Seth, take it. Yeah, with the light and the digital camera, it kind of shows up as a glare, but it's a green fog light indicator. I'll post a picture with it to show you what it actually looks like so you can see it clearer. But that's the fog lights. They actually only come on when you turn the parking lights on. So shut all the lights off, Seth. And you'll see everything is off. And turn parking lights on again. And you see everything all comes on. I installed a relay in the back. And also another auxiliary fuse box for it. But that's what they are. So I have a green indicator custom mounted in the gauges, and I also have rear fog lights. Turn the low beams on, Seth, and flick that on, and as you see now, the indicator turned amber up there for your rear European style fog lights. And of course, I know a lot of people had seen this already, so make sure inner brake lights turn on as rear fog lights, like on British and European vehicles. So up front, this is what it all looks like. That noise you hear is the actual cooling fans for the LED headlights. But yeah, maybe I'll try to do something different when it's actually not raining, so I can get out there and get better visibilities. But as you can see, that's with everything turned on. And hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, that's what everything is going on, all right here. All for a clean factory look. So Anyway, what do you say, Seth?
Hope you liked the video, and just we did something new and we wanted to show you.
Oh, yeah. All right, signing off, people.
Bye.